What's up, YouTube? This was gonna be a short video because this is supposed to be something simple, but as usual there's nothing really simple with cars and BMWs in particular. So I'm gonna turn on the ignition here and we're gonna see that we have a lighting system front right failure. It's funny that the car seems to not know what's right and left, but anyway, the ignition is on, which means this will turn the lights on. Actually, with the engine off, I think it's not gonna turn not gonna turn on the headlights. But oh yes it is, yes it is. So we have all the lights, and you see on this side we have the oh no, now we have nothing. That's funny. So we used to have the parking light working. Now we don't, but this should be something simple, right? But for the life of me, I couldn't find anywhere the same parking lights that I have. Let me just have another look and see if there's really nothing working now. This one on this side should be working. If I wiggle it, nothing. Doesn't matter. Let's turn the car off. Ignition off. Exactly. Everything is off. So I'm gonna show you, because there's I couldn't find any other video with this type of light, so maybe this is helpful for someone. There's here a cover, no big secrets here. Cover comes off. Now let's see how well you can have a look at this. So we're upside down. That's the high beam, and now the parking is just something here. There's a plastic, where is it? There's just a plastic tab that you can just pull. Here we go. If you can see it, there's this plastic tab with the light that you can just pull, and this is a very specific kind of light. I don't know if I can, how can I take a picture? Let me see if I know how to take a picture with this. Could it be like this? Not sure if this took a picture. I'll stop the video just a minute, second to take a okay, so now to remove, sadly I still don't have my head mount so that I can use both hands while filming. There's here a couple of tabs that you can just push on, and then while you push on these tabs you can pull the bulb directly with your hands. Just pull it out. There's no rotating or anything, just pulling. And this is what it looks like. This tiny sucker. This is what you have to go through all this work for. And sadly, the one that stopped working for me is the one on the left side, actually, even if the car is saying it's the one on the right side, which means I'm gonna have to remove this airbox to have enough space to work on it. But at least once I remove the airbox, I will have more than enough space for it. But anyway, yeah, it's not very user-friendly, but well, at least it's possible, huh? So yeah, I'll put this back in. Now you know also how these parking lights are working. It was a bit of a pain for me, but at least I figured it out. Okay, I hope this is helpful. Take care, guys.